Next we are about to learn the types of operation performed on two sets. Suppose there are these two sets. Set A having elements 1, 2, 3. A set B having elements 2, 3, 5 and 6. Now, first operation is union, in which we write all the elements of set A and B and we avoid the duplicates. Suppose this is A union B. This is the denotation of union. Now, the set will be 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3 are already written. We will not take them again. And 5, 6. This is the union. So, we can say element either in A or in B. Now, coming to the second operation, which is intersection and is denoted by this sign. In this operation, we only write the common elements of the two sets. So, as we can see, 2 and 3 are the common elements. So, it is the elements which are present in both A and B is called the intersection of two sets. Now, the complement of any set. Suppose there is universal set of these two sets, which is number 1 to 10, and I want to write A complement. A complement can be written like this, okay. So, A complement will be the elements which are there in the universal set but not in the set. We are calculating A complement, which has 1, 2, 3, and universal set has elements 1 to 10. So, we will eradicate 1, 2 and 3 from the universal set, and that will become your complement of that set. So, complement of set will become 4, 5 till 10. Okay. Now, similarly, B complement will be all the numbers from 1 to 10 except 2, 3, 5 and 6. So, what will it be? 1, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that easy? So, this is how we find the complement. We are done with first three operations on the sets. Now, coming to the fourth one. Again, taking the same examples of the two sets. Now, we would like to calculate the difference. Here I am writing A minus B. So, what will we do? What we will be doing? We will be writing elements of set A and eradicating all the elements which are also there in set B. So, here we can see 1 is in set A, 2 and 3 are in set A but also there in set B, but we are eradicating the elements of set B. So, A minus B will have only one element, which is 1. Now, you must be wondering if B minus A is also same? No. B minus A here will be writing the elements of B but eradicating the elements which are there in A. 2 and 3 are in A. So, we are eradicating A. We will not write 2 and 3. We will only write 5 and 6. So, B minus A will be these two elements 5, 6. Coming to our next operation, that is symmetric difference. Now, in this, what we'll do? Step 1, find common elements. Remove them. Perform union. Or you can do reverse. You can first find union and then you can remove the common elements. So, and the sign of symmetric difference is this. A. Symmetric difference B will be, what are the common elements of A and B? 2 and 3. Eradicating 2 and 3 from both A and B and unioning the rest of the elements. So 1, 5 and 6. This is your symmetric difference. Okay? Students commonly get confused between difference and symmetric difference. So watch it clearly. You can rewind the video and watch it again. And you have to take more examples on your own. I am working with one single example, but you have to work with multiple examples. You can take any example and work on all the operations. Okay? Now, we are left with the last kind of operation, which is called the Cartesian product. Suppose I have a set A, 1, 2, 3, and a set B which has elements A, B. Now, Cartesian product, which is denoted by a big cross, is the construction of ordered pairs by mapping set A elements to set B elements, and that is one-to-one mapping. First we'll be picking up each element of set A and we'll be making ordered pairs with elements of set B. How? Like this. 1, comma A, 1, comma B. First mapping is done. Next, 2, comma A, 2, comma B. Okay? Next, 3, comma A, and then the last element 3, comma B. So these ordered pairs are called Cartesian product of two sets A and B, which is denoted by A cross B. I hope it is clear. So let's revise again. We have these operations which are performed on the types of sets. Union, in which we combine all the elements but avoids the duplicates. Intersection, in which we write only the common elements. Third, in which we write the elements which are there in the universal set but not in the set of which you want to find out the complement. Difference, in which you eradicate the elements of second set and write only the rest of the elements of that set. Symmetric difference. From both the sets, you find the common elements, you remove them, and find union of rest of the elements. Cartesian product, you make ordered pairs by doing one-to-one mapping of first set and the second set. Let's meet in this next lecture.